What's up guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react sa bagong cover song ng bandang Mission Souls. Ito yung pinamagatang If Only. Ayan, napakalupit itong cover na to guys. Huwag na natin pagtagalin pa. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react.
If only I was taller, if I had $1 million, maybe then you'd be with me.
Napaka-smooth ng kanilang simula dito. Tingnan natin sa kalagitnaan kung hahataw sila dito sa tugtugang to.
If only I was 18 and had the courage of the 18, maybe then you'd be with me. But for now, I'll have to dream about your smile 'cause you're not here.
Ayan guys, nagsimula na sila humataw. Tapos pinarinig na rin nila ang kanilang napakagandang harmony.
And all I wanna say is that I really miss you. If I could surf a little better.
Ayan, bumigat na yung tugtugan. Gumamit na ng effects si Nisha.
If I had some nerve sweater, maybe then you'd be with me. If only I had more time, if I had my Ness's hairline, then you'd wanna be with me. But for now,
Ang ganda ng areglo nitong kantan to. Nagsimula sa smooth tapos naging mabigat yung tugtugan, naging rock.
I will have to dream about your smile 'cause you're not here. And all I wanna say is that I really miss you.
Narinig yun guys. Sa effects yata ng gitara ni ni Nisha. Parang eroplano. Anong klase kaya yun Ang ganda ng tunog. Parang siya, parang may pagka-plunger, parang ganon. Effects ng gitara.
If only you were so fine, if only I wasn't so blind, I'd find a way to make you stay, and maybe I'd see you.
Ang bagsik ng bagsakan ni Ice tsaka ni Naces. Bass at drums. Ang astig din ng pagre-rhythm ni dito, Stacy, tsaka yung kanyang vocals. Talagang bagay din sa kanya yung kanta.
If I woke up with all these things, would it even change your feelings? None of that is even me. But for now, I'll have to wait another week to see your face, and all I wanna
Ganda ng tunog na yun, yung rim shot. Rim shot ni Ice, tsaka yung bass ni Naces pag nagsabay.
say is that I really miss you. Yes, we did! Yeah, we did!
Ang kulit nung patapos nila. Naglundagan sila, Nisha, Naces. Yan, tignan natin. Ayun, may bloopers, guys.
That. Nice. Sorry, sorry.
Naka-take pipe sila. Take 6. Yan, mabot na sila take 7.
Sabi, oy.
Ang kukulit din mga magkakapatid Okay.
Yes, we did! Yeah, we did!
Kaya pala sila naglundagan, guys. Na perfect din nila. Umabot ng take 8. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa bandang Mission Souls, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Suportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga videos na napakagaganda, guys. And isa-isahin nyo, guys. Walang tulak-kabigin sa mga ginawa nilang covers dyan. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod natin reaction video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.